Let's be real, managing IT probably wasn't what you signed up for when you started your business. You've got goals to hit, customers to serve, and a team to lead. And now you're supposed to keep track of devices, security updates, backups, and system issues too? That's where we come in. At PCA Technology Solutions, our managed stack is designed to take the pressure off your plate so you can focus on the big stuff. We handle your IT like it's our own, expertly managed, proactively maintained, and always a step ahead. And it's not just tech support, it's what we call a white glove experience. Now, what makes us different? Most IT providers use what's called a tiered support model. You know the drill. You call, explain the problem, get bumped by someone else, explain it again, maybe even get bumped again. At PCA, we do things differently. We use a hive methodology called IT swarming, which means when you need help, we aim to get you to the right person right away. No bouncing around, no wasting time. We're a team that works together to solve your problem fast so you can get back to work. So what do you get with PCA Managed IT? We're talking around-the-clock monitoring to catch issues before they become problems. Second, cybersecurity solutions that actually work, backups that you don't have to think about, support that feels like a teammate, not a robot, and lastly, tools that help your business work smarter, not harder. It's the solutions you need for your business to thrive, bundled together, managed for you so you can breathe a little easier. Because at the end of the day, IT shouldn't be a stressor. It should be something that just works. And with PCA, it does.